Hey yo, it's your boy Tulu back with another video, man. How y'all been? Man, that's good. I mean, whatever you're going through, just know it could change in a matter of seconds, matter of minutes. Just hold your head up and keep trucking. I know it's easier said than done, but you know, here we are. Man, I miss y'all, man. I know I be inconsistent and everything, but man, I'm gonna try to get it together. Not even gonna lie, man. Like dealing with the floor pans and all that, like seriously, it really has been depressing. Like especially, you know, you got people that's telling you they gonna come. I mean, people that just declining, really saying that they're not gonna do the floor pans, and that's holding me up from a lot. Cause one thing for certain, I don't want to put the interior in there for it to get destroyed and then have to redo it again. I want to go ahead and get everything lined up first, but I ain't gonna lie, it kind of had me depressed and I kind of sat down for a minute. But we back at it because I ain't put all this money into this project just to be for it to sit back here. So today I came out here to move it because I was gonna wash it and everything, and I had the charger on it, and next thing you know, I'm starting it up. I see gas, or I see something shooting across the car. I was like, man, what in the world is that? Jumped out, shut it off and everything, and right here, this hose right here is bubbling up, and it was spraying gas out of that. So what I'm gonna do is lace it. Hopefully, I know Napa is open or whatever. I don't know if they'll have the same line, but it's a fuel line which we can put on there. So we'll go ahead and get this off, man, and I'm gonna sit y'all down. I'm gonna sit y'all up. So y'all just hold it right here, and all right, y'all, we back. So I found my wrenches, so I ain't gonna use the vice grips. All right, so and pretty much what you have to do, this hose is connected to these AN fittings that run to the fuel rails here. So what you have to do is, well, put one of the wrenches on this side and the other one on this side and take it off. The same thing on this side. I think they're probably a little bigger than a 5/8. I'm not sure. I'm not using one of my wrenches, but I am going to use these adjustable wrenches though. Alright, so get it right there. And a disclaimer, I am not a professional. I'm not a professional. I'm just a guy who's don't mind trying anything. I might tear it up, or I might save a little bit of money. Trying not to scratch it up too bad. Moving around like that. Man, but truly, man, I hope everything is blessed for all of you guys. Hope everything is going great in your lives. Any goals that you have set, I hope you accomplish all of them, man. One thing about me, I like to go or live by positivity. Feel like the energy, same energy you put out, same energy you receive. And y'all, I got this towel here. I'm just waiting for gas to start coming up out of here. Old lady gonna come home today and think I'm trying to set myself on fire. Oh man, maybe I need to loosen this side also, because this hose is starting to. Alright, so let's switch. No, I'm holding it wrong. Just pray for me, y'all. That's all you could do. Just pray for me. Oh, tripping. I hope I don't doggone push this board down. It could land on my head. Alright, y'all, so I about got it off. Pretty much I can twist it with my hand. But shoot, man, y'all drop down in the comments where y'all from. Where y'all living there. I don't want your address or nothing like that, you know. Shout out your state, city where y'all at, where y'all watching from. From the small state called North Carolina. Little city called Wyville. Pretty much just a little retirement home, seriously. You know, that's how they trying to make everything now. Y'all, I am just waiting. I know it's gonna be gas everywhere, but this ain't what I expected though. I'm gonna show y'all once I get it all the way off. Like I said, I don't know much, man. I didn't put this motor together by myself, or period. I ain't put this motor together. One of my uncles pretty much did all the work himself. Okay, see, I'm seeing a little couple drops over here already. But I thought the hose went. I'll show y'all when I get done. It's almost off, I reckon. Alright, there goes that side. And there's that side. Alright. So what I was just saying, what I was expecting was for the hose to be all the way through this one into this and hold the hose, but as you see, has these threads on it with a tube that goes down to the fit. It's on, it's on both sides. So yeah, now let's see if we can get this hose. Does it just pull out? Huh? Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright, it's out, man. And like I said, man, it was bubbling across here, across the top. Woo! Y'all don't sweat. It smell like gas. Alright, y'all. So, what we about to do is go hit my local parts store. Like I said, I'll probably go to Napa to see if they got one. Should just go to O'Reilly's because it's closer. Either or. Well, alright, man. I just had to come back real quick. I made the decision to stop at O'Reilly's because they're closer to me. You know, just for time purpose. So I just wanted to say, I hate when you go into some of these places like O'Reilly's, AutoZone, we can even say like Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever you want to say. Now, you work in these stores, you know, that demand parts, you know, knowing about some stuff, a little bit of education, you know. I mean, don't get me wrong, man, it's some good people in there. There's some real good people in there that, you know, follow the channel as well, so I know they're gonna see this, but hey, it's all right. I'm gonna keep it 100, you know what I'm saying? But I hate going in places like that and it's like they have no idea what you're talking about. It's like if you speak English, you're going into a Spanish store or something like that and asking them for a Pepsi, and they just, and I shouldn't even use that analogy. I'm trying to cancel. But I just hate when you go in places like that and, you know, you expect for some of them, you know. I'm sorry, like I said, I'm uneducated on a lot of things. I'm not a mechanic. I ain't going, for real, I'm not a professional, but you do know some things, or, you know, you gain the knowledge on some things. And he was just trying to tell me that those pieces, hold on, let me show y'all. These pieces right here, I'm not looking down at the camera, so yeah, drive safe, you know. I got the tripod up, but I do have to hold it. But anyway, so he said these pieces were not supposed to come out of the hose, but I'm telling him it's like a compression fitting and everything, and he was like, no, it's just one piece made like that. Now, granted, I did think that way, but seeing it and looking at some videos on YouTube, they do come apart, like, you know, so you can interchange like hoses and things like that. But I just had to come up here and vent to y'all about that, man, because that's just something that really grinds my gears. Seriously. I know people need to work, have a job or whatnot, but man, come on, man. Y'all need to at least ask for a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of training about some of the parts and stuff that y'all have, which some of them do. You know, some of them do, but a lot of them don't. A lot of them, especially like those here in Whiteville. Them jokers couldn't tell you where the bubble gum was. Like, seriously, man. But all right, y'all, I'm here at Nepha, about to pull up here, go in here. Hopefully they can get me about that. But yeah, so now I'm about to go to this other place here where he says they make hoses. Like I said, he did have some that he said they use on a race car. That's stainless, which I wouldn't mind having, but he asked me to go check up here with this other guy that actually makes the hoses. So I'll go over there and holler at him and see what he's talking about. But if he doesn't have what I need, I'll just go back over here and get that stainless and just call it that, like it is what it is. All right, man. Y'all cross y'all fingers. All right, y'all. After some traveling and going around, I finally found this shop that work on race cars and everything. Napa didn't have it, as I said, and I went to a couple other places. I did find a place that had it. Only problem is, well, I guess it's not a problem. The hose is too long. Now, I don't have the proper tool to cut it, so I came back up here to this guy's shop who actually does mess with hoses and everything, and I'm gonna see, even though if I ain't buy the hose from him, if he could cut it for me. He might tell me to get out of his shop. I need to start taking y'all in places when I go. I'll be having some interesting conversations with some people. But you know, I don't like just running in somewhere, sticking a phone or something in somebody's face. All right, y'all, so bear with me. We almost there. If not, I'll just have to get me a pair of scissors and go to town. Oh man, that old man told me to get his shop. No, I'm just playing. I'm playing. But no, he didn't have the tool over here in this location. It was in Tabor City, and I'm not driving all the way to Tabor City for him just to cut the hose. So I guess I could just find something at the house or either bug my neighbor for something to cut it with, and hey, we're gonna get it done though. We're gonna get it done. All right, man. See y'all. So I went over and talked to my neighbor, right? I promise you, the last thing that I thought he was gonna tell me to cut that pipe with, and you would never guess it. I mean, I know we ain't professionals now, but guess what my guy told me to cut it with? Handy dandy handsaw. So hey, gotta use what we got sometimes, right? All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this pipe up good. I'm gonna get y'all set up so we can get the cutting, man. All right, let's hold on for a sec. All right, y'all, so I got it taped up pretty decent. All right, so I'm gonna lay it down here and switch this camera around so y'all can see. No, not potatoes. All right, so what I did was just go ahead and focus. Yeah, there we go. All right, so what I did was go ahead and just take the part. This part is pretty good, and it was already taped off at the end down here. So what I did was go ahead and just measured it, put me a little cut right there where I need to see where I need to start with. And hey, let's see if we can put this handsaw to use over here. I don't think I used the handsaw. Lord knows how long, and I wanted to get me a good surface where I can cut it on. Y'all see? All right, let's get to it, man. I ain't gonna lie, the reason I'm doing this, I had somebody to come in the comments the other day, and I mean, I take any kind of criticism, you know, especially when you're doing stuff like this. You want to know how people feel about things. And I appreciate him for speaking his opinion. But you know, it was about my bumpers, and he was saying that you know, it was kind of a bad video because he felt like I should have actually showed how I was mounting the bumper. I mean, that's the only thing I didn't, but I did show like some stuff in before. If you know, if you actually watch the video, like where it's supposed to go and everything. I didn't have a tripod at the time, but that's neither here nor there. This crap sucks. So I'm gonna just take my time and do like this. Hope y'all can see. I can't really see. But yeah, like I was saying, is, you know, and I respect that. You know, that's his opinion. He has a right to it, and like I said, I don't mind constructive criticism when it is constructive criticism. Bro, my dogs is retarded, I promise you. Something wrong with them. Maybe I should have just used like an angle grinder or something. Cause this is a little tedious. Alright, well, I ain't gonna sit here and make y'all watch me do this, bro. You see what I'm doing? I'll get back to y'all. Finally back. I think I'm done with all the distractions. Alright, so I did manage to get this cut. Yeah, you see the side that was cut. Focus. Hopefully I don't have too hard of a time trying to get this in that fitting. Let's see, I'm gonna sit y'all right here. Alright, so you just take these fittings and put it on here. Try to get it. Oh man, yeah, this is about to be fun. Trying to figure that. It's going, if y'all see it. Oh no, y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. It ain't gonna focus. But anyway. I want to get it all the way down flush. This bottom piece. Almost there. I wish you guys could see it. I don't think that phone is gonna focus right there to let you see it, but you should see like the pipe, you should see like the metal pieces like right there. Good. Anyway, all right, so it's all almost. All right, so that's good on that end. Let's put this side on now. This is the side that I cut. Man, all right, come on. Hold your mouth together. Come on, close in front of the camera. Well, I ain't gonna speak too soon, but it's going in there. like this thing started like lifting up on me a little bit. Tape is kind of making it tougher, but this ensures that it's good and tight on there. My next worries are this when I'm getting it on that fitting right there, if it's gonna like push it out, because that's the only thing I'm kind of worrying about right now. All right, so see, we got our piece back, both ends on there. You'll see the tape out the end, but like I said, I wish you can like see down in there. There's like a little lip in there that pipe sits pretty much flush on it. Do this one a little bit more, but alright, so got that on there. Alright, now let me flip it around and see how we're gonna start this. Alright, once again, you know, maybe if you skip through the video, maybe I can move this now. I don't want gas everywhere. Move that away from that. Alright, so you see those ends right there? They pretty much go on there and push up into the pipe and pretty much seals it. Alright, let me set the camera back. Alright. Y'all good? Y'all can see right there? Alright, so I'm gonna just try to start hand tightening this. Try to see if it's gonna push this pipe back out of here. Alright, so I see this already starting to turn. Alright, now I'm gonna switch. Just a little common sense, like I told y'all, disclaimer, I'm not a professional, but just thinking about how stuff works, I feel like if I push this one all the way in, it'll start pushing that back in this hose out. So what I'm gonna also start doing, since that's kind of snug on there, I'm gonna put that in on there, and you know, so if it does try to push it back, at least it has some type of little bit of resistance or something. But I mean, you know, just thinking about it. Just thinking about it. Alright, so I'll put these back down. Get over here on this side. Do the same thing. Start screwing her down. Oh snap, it's turning the whole piece. Oh man. Couple of turns. Alright. Now I was just looking at that and it was turning over here, so this one was turning, so maybe I can hold this side and turn this. gonna switch sides like I was saying earlier. Do a little bit on this side. So like I said earlier, man, y'all pretty much get the gist what I'm saying. I'll bring y'all right back to it, bro. I'm gonna get to it. All right, y'all, so there she is. Did mark up my fittings there with those wrenches, but hey, that's something simple. That's a simple fix we could do. I am kind of nervous about it. I am about to go ahead and hook the battery back up here and turn the fuel pump on and see if we're gonna hopefully not get any leaks. We're gonna put that on the chill right here. I got a dog one. Alright, get this battery. Alright, so I'm about to turn on this fuel pump, see what we got. Y'all see any leaks? Oh, yeah. Hold on, let me see what that is. Okay, now that's coming from this. I did see this turning earlier. All right, let me tighten this up real quick. Wrong way.
That's gas.
Yep.
I smell it.
Trying to split that. And let's see. Y'all, at least it ain't coming from the pipe. So that's kind of a plus right there. I want to make sure it works, but that battery is dead. See if we can jump it. Y'all, my beautiful wife came out and held the camera for me, and I ain't even have to ask.
You act like I don't do stuff for you.
I appreciate you, baby. Alright. Hope it don't cause no fire.
Oh, Lord.
I don't know if it's going to be enough to start it, but we're going to try it.
I heard something. What was that?
The fuel pump. That was just a fuel pump. But, as we can see, it ain't dripping or shooting out like a fountain or something right now. I think we got that straight back there. I don't see it leaking from nowhere else. I'm gonna let this sit on the charge for a few minutes and Gonna see if we can't bust her off today, man. At least get her out in the sunshine a little bit. Alright, man, I'll be back with y'all. I only had it on the charger for probably less than 30 minutes. Let me see if we can go ahead and jump it off. Hold on. Let me see if the charger's up. Alright, let's go ahead and try to see if we can start.
Are you allowed to say that? Are we supposed to say that? Now, do you want some crack in the jar?
Alright, so yeah, battery's still dead, but good to see. I don't see any more leaking or anything right now. I think I'm about to go grab the truck and just try to jump it from the truck, just to make sure. Alright, y'all. One more, y'all. Got the truck hooked up to it. Still don't see any gas leaks. See my little rinky dink wires, cables on it. Still no gas leak. Let's see if that, man, I think that too doggone dead, man. It's like, come on. One time. Yeah. Man, it's dead. That freaking sucks. Gosh, no. But as you can see, no leaking. So I guess that's the major part. But I'm not gonna end the video like that. I hate that we having to cut so many times and everything. I mean, I guess it is what it is. I'm gonna let it charge for a few minutes, and we'll just go from there, I guess. I'm back. It is the next day. I ain't want to leave the video off like that, man. I wanted to get it started for you guys. So what I did was I just left it on the charger for tonight, and hopefully we can get her just to start right up, man. I would like to, I don't know if I'm gonna put y'all in the back or if I'm gonna just keep you right here, because I'm gonna be trying to make sure that it ain't leaking, and I want y'all to be able to see everything. So go ahead and flip this charger off. Take these down cables. Man, I truly appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. I don't know what's still killing that battery, man. You know what? I guess because I ain't driving it like that. All right, now come on, baby. I should leave y'all that fall off. Hold on. I can't believe that. It's still dead as a doorknob. Dang, man, I don't know what to do. Alright, let me try to jump it with the box. Dang, that's crazy. I left that thing on all night. Left it on all night. Or if that charger is just I like when I get stuff done. that's how we gonna end this video, man. Don't y'all just love that sound. Don't y'all just love that sound. I'm gonna let her run for a minute. I wanted to get it out and wash it and everything, but I don't think today is gonna let me be great. It's already looked like it's about to rain, which I should. Matter of fact, let me take this crap off. Man, but once again, man, I appreciate y'all. I love all the love and support. Y'all remember to comment. I don't care if you don't critique something. Let me know what I did wrong. Let me know what I can do better. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Tulu checking out, man. Wow. I did get the wiper off real good. I ain't put a hard wash on her, but she's still shaving with the sun not good. Gracious. Even with the sun not out. Okay, babe. Alright, y'all. Just wanted to, man, we got a long way to go. I'm up for the journey, man. Hope y'all stay tuned with me. And man, I can't wait to this thing. Give me about a couple more months, hopefully, man. Hopefully everything go in place. I guess it wasn't my time yet, so it's coming up. I'm up next, man. Peace, y'all.